Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to teach a super simple trick for should have, could have, and would have. The very first one is should have. Trick for should have is think of regret or advice. For example, I should have studied. I didn't and now I regret it. Tip for remember should is duty or regret. Now we're gonna could have. Trick for could have is think of missed chances or possibility. For example, I could have gone to the party. It was possible, but I didn't. Tip for remember it could is possible but didn't happen. The last one is would have. Trick for would have is think of if only. It would have happened if something else didn't get in the way. For example, I would have helped if I'd known. I wanted to, but something stopped me. Tip for remember it would is if this had happened. Now, super simple memory tip. Should is regret. I should have but didn't. Could is chance. I could have but didn't. Would is if only. I would have but something stopped it. This makes it easy to know when to use each one. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.